Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of Feb. The rules can be reversed also as a journal. It might or might not resonate. Okay. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading sessions or healing sessions? You can check out the description box and you can find the links. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass, link is given below. So let's start, Sagis. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, honey, let's see what's happening. Okay, calm down. Let's see. We have the page of wands, so someone new is around the corner for you guys. For some of you it's like a friendship kind of a deal that just started or it's about to start. Let me clarify the page of wands. Someone is feeling like the situation between you and them is kind of starting or restarting, just the start of something. Okay, let's see. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Devil. So this is someone who feels like they're feeling left out in the cold and they're just trying to evaluate the situation from a distance. There's a third party kind of a dynamic between you guys, but this is someone around you. Even if there's a third party kind of a dynamic, they feel they should stay connected to you in some way. For some of you, you are already committed or connected to somebody, and somebody new is trying to enter in your life, or the vice versa. Take it how it resonates with you. But someone is waiting and hoping for this third party kind of energy to be removed so that they can have something with you. Okay, let's see. Someone is quite attracted here towards you, even if you're committed or married to somebody else. And this person is kind of, telling you this or showing it to you, showing the interest in you, and they're just waiting and hoping for this third party energy removal somehow from this dynamics. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Sajis? We have the Chariot. So from your side, you are quite determined in your energies at this present moment. Chariot can represent a lot of things. It can represent moving on. It can represent this energy of wanting to take things forward no matter what. Let me clarify the Chariot in order to get the clear picture here. Let's see what we have. We have the Six of Swords, the Knight of Cups, and the Three of Wands. You are feeling you should keep moving forward. Even if you carry love for something or someone here, you feel like you should keep moving forward. You should not look back. You are one foot in, one foot out of a situation, but you are quite determined in your energies that you are not going to look back no matter what's going to happen next. No matter how much love you carry for somebody, you just feel like moving ahead in your life and not looking back at any cost. You are very determined about this. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Moon card. Their intention is to get out of the fear, feeling scared, feeling there is some kind of unknown fear that they're dealing with in the situation, and or they think that you have a secret or they have a secret to share with you, maybe. Let's clarify in order to get the clear picture here. Let's clarify the Moon here, honey. We have the Nine of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Eight of Cups. They're scared that you are going to move on like with somebody else and you are never going to look back, and that they're very scared that you are going to be happy without them, and it's kind of making them feel left out in the cold, and they are kind of feeling very bad about it. So someone wants to come out of this fear that you are not going to be a part of their life anymore and that you're happy without them. And they're continuously living in this kind of fear of what if this is going to be a reality, that Sagittarius don't want me in their life again, ever. So they don't want to turn this fear of theirs into reality. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Yeah, okay. Let's see from your side, Sagis, what do you want from this particular person or situation, honey? Queen of Pentacles. So, from your side, you just want to remain grounded. You just want to remain stable and grounded in your own energies. You would just want to sit in your own power. You want to have this kind and compassionate kind of energy of whatever is happening for your highest good, for their highest good. And you don't want to like be in this energy of what should I do? What should I do? Oh my God, restless. No, you just want to remain grounded and centered in your own energies and sit in your own power. Let me clarify the Queen of Pentacles here. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Star, and the Three of Cups. See, you are in this energy, Sagittarius, where you are surrendering to the divine, that whatever is meant for you will come to you eventually. If this is meant to be between you and this particular person, it will happen naturally or organically someday. If not, it's like you are leaving this behind and you're letting it go, but you are trying your best to remain grounded, remain centered, and remain in your own power, because again, you are in this energy of whatever is meant for you will eventually find you. If this is one of those things that's meant for you, this will come to you naturally someday. If not, you are letting it go. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 16th of Feb, honey Sagittarius. We have the Star. I do see this energy of healing, major healing, remaining optimistic and positive, and remaining open for healing in a particular direction. Let's clarify the Star here. Let's do it. Let's clarify the Star. We have the Queen of Cups, the Strength, and the Page of Cups. Yeah, it's like finally somebody speaking up, finally somebody breaking their silence and or expressing themselves to you, and this will open up the gate of healing between you guys, between you and a particular person or energy that you are having some kind of strained kind of connection with. You can expect some kind of message, communication, apology from somebody who is kind of interested in healing the situation between you and then them in some way. Now, from this point onwards, from this healing point, from this message, communication, apology point onwards, it's up to you. If you're gonna take it as like if you're gonna take it forward, or if you're going to leave it right now here only. That's completely up to you. For you guys, the guidance here is the Nine of Pentacles. Do not lose yourself in whatever the shit is going on, Sagittarius. You should understand that you should be your number one priority right now. You should be the center of attention of your whole world. Everything else and everyone else should follow. Do not lose yourself. I repeat, do not lose yourself in this kind of messy kind of energies where you're not able to understand maybe right now what should you do. Just focus on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your internal peace. Everything else and everyone else will follow, and you're doing it right, very beautifully. Just let the other person, other energy, do something about it to resolve it, if they are the one to who should do it. If you are the one who should do it from your side, but again, do not lose your own individuality in this. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.